That's the way to do it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Really good.
Oh. Oh, the boat's going a bit, yeah.
That was a good song.
Yeah. I think the boat might need flecking after that landing.
That's a good line. Oh, it made the first one.
Oh yeah.
Easy. Easy then.
Oh, I know. I don't think that was the first, but I'll check on flight radar.
That's pretty good, that. Pretty good.
Yeah. Actually, to be fair, there's a good shot the boat might need a check.
We're sure you can't wait to enjoy your holiday, but for now, you must stay seated and buckled up until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign.
When you do get up to go, please make sure you've got your phone, passport, keys and all other valuables. Anything left behind will be handed to our ground team here. Take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight. Just so you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
You can now use your phones. Larger devices must stay switched off. Our friendly representatives are all ready and waiting to help you.
Thanks for flying with us today, and from all of us, have a lovely holiday.
Ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, the new EU entry and exit system at passport control has now launched. We're really sorry for any inconvenience this may cause, but unfortunately this is outside of our control, meaning there may be longer wait times on arrival today. The first time you enter, you'll need to register with a self-serve kiosk, where you'll need to provide fingerprints and a facial image. Once registered, you'll cross the border as normal via an electronic gate or a manned booth. Children under the age of 12 won't need to provide fingerprints. Thank you.
We've done that already, haven't we? The fingerprint thing.
Yeah.